So the first thing we're going to do with this is we're going to do the Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We've already been using this for some other things, and you've seen this before. This is a major thing that we want to be able to do in geometry because it gets mixed into anything that's a right triangle, and there's right triangles inside of lots of shapes in addition to just right triangles themselves. So we have to make sure that we're very, very careful when we're taking a look at this stuff. Couple key things. C has to be the hypotenuse. It does not matter what the triangle looks like. If it's a right triangle, the hypotenuse has to go in the C spot. If it doesn't, you're going to get an answer that's not correct. A and B don't really matter where they go. All right, they're interchangeable because you're adding them together, and it doesn't matter the order that we're adding them in. A couple of things that's going to come up, and I'll talk about these as we get into problems. This is for sides, all right, not angles. So we cannot put angles into the Pythagorean theorem at any point in time because it doesn't work. That's not what it's designed for. This won't come up a whole lot this unit, but it will come up other times. This is only for right triangles, meaning we can't just take any triangle we want and apply the Pythagorean theorem to it. Okay, it only works for right triangles, isosceles, equilateral, all of those things. It doesn't work for those triangles unless you add an altitude. So I'm going to put in need to add an altitude sometimes to form a right triangle. So we may have a triangle that's not a right triangle, but we can draw in an altitude and create a right triangle that we can then use the Pythagorean theorem on, or any other thing that we're worrying about. And then it reminds you that the hypotenuse is opposite the right. That does not make sense. It's opposite the right angle. Sorry about that. Again, it's opposite the right angle. So we have to make sure that we remember that right there, opposite the right